Hey folks, Josh here, and I'm working on a boat, and it's a Valiant 480, and she had a problem with the bilge pump, and it stopped working. She's got a great float switch, which is about, she says 30 years old, and it's a cylinder, it's a black cylinder. We couldn't find a hose. We're in Guadalupe, so we couldn't find a hose that was big enough to replace the one that was there. The one that was there was just old and crusty, and I couldn't compress it enough to get it to this. So we went around and we found a bicycle inner tube, and I cut two sections of the bicycle inner tube, and you can see that black cylinder, that's the float switch, and then where the fingers are, right, that's where I had to make a hose. It's pretty impressive. It seems to be working. So it's 2 layers of inner tube, and there we have it. We'll see what happens until we get to a place where we can actually get a real hose on it. Okay, thanks for watching.
Can I ask